So you're turning out to be this action star. First Akira and now Force 2. So is this a conscious decision?
It's actually a coincidence that both these films came to me back to back, and honestly, I love action films. I love watching them. I've been a part of so many of them in the past. Dabangg, Rowdy Rathore, SOS, for example. And so I really enjoy. Every time I used to see my heroes, I used to be like, when will I get to do this kind of cool stuff? And finally I got the opportunity with Akira, and then which continued with Force 2, and I'm really happy because I feel actresses should get the opportunity to do this stuff as well, a whole lot more. And yeah, I'm very happy.
So you have this great kicking scene, your leg flies really high.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah. Stretch a lot.
Yeah, you stretch a
Is there a
lot.
story behind that? I mean, you really have to do it.
Well, of course I had to do it. You can see by...
Someone suggested you to do it. What was the part of the original?
John actually happened to see, John and Abhinay both saw the trailer of Akira
on that day.
together on the day that we were going to be shooting that scene, and he went and he was like, this girl has to be a part of the action. I was supposed to be on the side protecting somebody even while he fights off the bad guys. So he was like, no, she has to be in the action scene doing the action. So that's really encouraging for somebody like me who never does this happen, that on the day of a shoot you're changing an entire sequence to accommodate an actor to be a part of it. So that was really, really cool. And yeah, I think...
So you're happy being in this action?
I'm very happy, yeah.